How to fix LG TV flickering screen issue. So before you go ahead and go for actual customer support or hiring an actual technician to probably fix something wrong inside your TV, there's a few things you can try first before you do that. So basically just quick fixes. So first of all, you can go ahead and try restarting the TV itself. Turn off the TV, unplug it from the wall for 60 seconds, and then plug it back in and turn it on. So it could clear some temporary software glitches. It's also important to put in mind that the wires you're using can be the reason why this is happening. Like maybe it's loose, and because of that, vibrations from the volume of the TV is making the cables itself move. And since it's loose, it's gonna basically unplug and plug those kinds of stuff. So replace your HDMI cable with something better. But of course, if there is a problem with your HDMI cable, so you're gonna have to test that out first. So test another input or app. If flickering happens only on HDMI, you can try cable or a device issue. If it happens everywhere, it's a TV related issue. So this TV is the one having the issue instead of the wires itself. So we have a few more options you could try before doing anything else. So you can try fixing your picture in motion settings. So go to your settings, go to the picture and adjust these, which is the true motion. Turn this off. Go to energy saving and disable it. Then you can also try turning off your dynamic contrast, and you can set your picture mode to standard or cinema, so not vivid. True motion and power saving features frequently cause flickering, especially on the LG TVs. You can also adjust your refresh rate and external devices. So if you're using a console and PC, you can do this, but that's usually not really needed for you, depending if you just have a TV. So we're gonna skip that for now. So we're gonna do directly here, which is power and environment check. So plug the TV directly into a wall outlet. Maybe you're having low electric current. You can also avoid power strips or extension cords, but that's pretty much already done on the first option here. So you check for nearby devices causing interference like speakers or routers, and you can go ahead and just focus on this, which is plugging the TV directly into a wall outlet. But if none of those works, then you may have to contact customer support. So go ahead to their website and search for LG TV, then you should be able to find help or customer support there. You can go ahead and submit a ticket for your specific problem. But that's pretty much some ways you can put in mind to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.